5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Come on. Sticking holes.
3 right,
3
40,
right.
2 right, half long, slippy and continues.
3 right, yeah.
2 right,
2 right.
half long, 4 left, continues and tightens over 150 into 2 left. That's 4 left,
Yep.
into 2 left. 150 down middle,
Yeah, 2.
2, and 150 caution. Bumpy 5 right, tightens into 1 right, stay neat. That's 5 right into 1 right. And 5 left. Into 5 left, 60 up middle. Into 5 left and 5 right over crest. And 4 right slowing into 2 left.
4 right.
There we go.
2 left.
100 down. 4 left. 100 down. 3 left. And care, 60, 2 right into hairpin left. 60, 2 right, hairpin left. $60, 4 right, half long. 60 up middle, 6 right, 40, 5 right, bump inside, tight, opens over 100 into 80 over small crests, and 5 left, tightens into 3 left, 5 into 3, 40, 6 right,
Yep.
80, 4 left, and caution, crest into 3 left slowing, 4 left crest, 3 left slowing half long, and 2 right, and turn square left, bump inside, 100, beautiful, middle over small crest, and 60, 2 left, that's 60, 2 left, and 5 right, and 5 left long, into middle over crest, 40 down,
Yep.
into 5 right, continues for 80, 60 down, 4 right, don't cut,
4 right.
40, 6 left, tightens, 40, 3 right, logs inside,
3 right.
3 right there, and 4 left slowing, into 3 left, don't cut, tightens and continues for 230, 3 right, continues 230, 60, 5 left, once it straightens out,
Yeah, it tightens. There you go.
60, 5 left and 80, caution, hairpin late, hairpin left, late, slippy.
Hairpin.
Yeah, hairpin left. 40.
Yep.
3 left, 3 right, don't cut.
Yep.
60, 1 right, that's 1 right.
Yep.
Continues and tightens for 60, goes 5 left. 5 left.
5 left.
And 5 right small crest, 100 up middle, at the end of 100, 6 right half long, over small crest, and 40 in only into 2 left,
6 right.
40, 2 left,
2 left.
continues for 60 and goes 3 right, 60, 6 right, continues for 100, then another 60 into 4 left, half long late, that's 4 left, half long late, 40 down, 2 left, that's 2 left,
Yep.
40, middle over crest, and 60, 6 left, logs inside, 60, 6 left, 100 up middle, at the end of 100, 3 right,
Yep.
half long, don't cut, 150, that's 150 into 2 right,
Yep.
opens over 100, then goes into 3 right past lane, 2 right, opens, 100, 3 right, sorry 300, 1 right,
Yep.
no 100, 6 left, over flat crest, and 130 down into 6 right,
Hang on. Yeah, thank you. Right, so
down into 6 right, continues for 100, 40, 1 right long, brake, 1 right long, 1 right,
Oof, okay.
there
Yeah,
it is. and 40, hairpin left, don't cut, long and tightens late, and 1 right, tightens, 1 right, 60, 3 left, don't cut,
3 left.
continues for 60 to 4 left, logs inside, half long, tightens, and 40, crest, and 4 left past quarry into 5 right, that's crest,
Yep.
4 left, quarry, 5 right, 130 down, into turn, hairpin left, steady, watch your braking on this, hairpin left, 130 up middle,
Come on! Fucking hell.
2 right, don't cut, and 2 right, 3 left, 6 left, continues for 150,
Yep.
then 60, 5 left, that's your 5 left,
Yep.
100, small crest, and then 2 right, 5 left, 2 right, 5 left, 60, 4 right, half long,
4 right.
150, middle over, flat crest, flat, 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 and then 200. At the end of it, 6 left, then 250. At the end of 250, 5 left slowing, logs inside.
Yep.
Caution, 5 left slowing, logs inside,
Yep.
and 40, 1 left. Going into 1 left now.
Yup.
Over bump.
Yep.
40,
We're back on the road. There we go.
40, 3 left, half long, bumps inside, 1 right.
Yep. 1.
3 left, 1 right, where the people are.
Yep.
And middle over crest, half long, and caution, 3 left bumpy into 4 left bumpy and camber.
Yep.
That's 4 left, 150,
Oh, Christ. Hello.
150, 5 right, continues and tightens and goes 5 left. That continues over
Yep.
130, 5 right, continues over 130, into 5 left.
Yep.
100 down, square right, there it is, square right, and 40 through the finish. Beautiful, beautiful, well done, absolutely brilliant. Okay, so you've obviously got the measure of the slippiness and not slippiness, etc.
Yeah, I've got a bit leery towards the end, so I just pulled it back a little bit.
Yeah, that's great.
So I'm kind of getting the measure of that.
I have no criticism, that's just worked brilliantly, well done.